Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the special skill of Ling on the Shadow 5-4. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Shadow 5-4 account, and if you already log in, you can enter the battle mode or the training mode like this. For this example, I try to combo using a special skill of Ling. Okay, first thing you need to know is if you want to use the special skill, you need to have a full energy, a blue energy below of your health like this. Okay, and if you already have a full energy, you can combo the arrow or the joystick like this, uh, to the front, to the back, to the down, and also up like that. Okay, and first thing, I want to show you the combo like this. Okay, first joystick to the front and then click the special skill like that. Okay guys, and you can also have a passive critical attack like this on the sword of Ling, and this is cannot block by the enemy. Set. Okay, like that, and that's a critical hit. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel. You haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.